So are you ready to unleash the extraordinary on your iPhone? Get ready for an adventure like no other as we dive into the world of Jojoy iOS, where game mods, exclusive content, and early access to the hottest releases. In Chapter 1, the modding magic. So prepare yourself, for within this video lies a tale of intrigue and discovery woven into the fabric of 3 enigmatic chapters. Venture forth, intrepid viewer, and unlock the secrets that await you at the journey's end. Remember, the path to knowledge is paved with curiosity. Watch till the very last frame for the mysteries of these chapters shall be revealed. Welcome, fellow adventurers. Today we embark on an epic journey to the world of Jojoy iOS. Get ready to discover the mind-blowing features that have gamers everywhere buzzing with excitement. What makes Jojoy iOS truly extraordinary? Let me tell you, picture this, transforming your favorite games with mods that grant you unlimited lives, insane power-ups, and mind-bending cheats. It's like having a gaming superpower. Just imagine the look on your friends' faces when you effortlessly breeze through levels they've been stuck on for weeks. They'll be begging you for your secret. Jojoy POs, the ultimate cheat code to conquer any game. Chapter 2, early access to gaming greatness. So, how do you embark on this extraordinary journey? First, grab your iPhone because we're about to dive into the modding magic of Jojoy iOS. Head to our website and let the adventure begin. I've got the link right in the description below. Click it and let the games begin. While the download is happening, you can use this time to imagine all the incredible possibilities awaiting you. Unlimited lives, outrageous power-ups, and game-winning cheats are just a click away. But that's not all. As a Jojoy iOS warrior, you're not just part of the gaming world, you're part of an elite force. Get ready to experience the thrill of being the first to play new releases before the rest of the world even knows they exist. In Chapter 3, the adventure continues. Adventurers, you're now equipped with the knowledge to embark on an extraordinary journey with Jojoy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because the adventure doesn't end here. We'll keep bringing you the latest updates, tips, and tricks to level up your tech game. And don't miss out on the fun. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of tech adventurers. Together, we'll conquer new levels, uncover hidden secrets, and embrace the power of Jojoy iOS. Stay connected with us on social media for even more laughter, insights, and behind-the-scenes fun. Get ready to unlock the extraordinary with Jojoy iOS. And remember, adventure awaits.